What do you get when you take America's bigger is better attitude and combine that with skiing and motorsport? The answer? This. The Red Bull Frozen Rush. 8 drivers in 900 horsepower custom-built trucks brought some fast and furious head-to-head racing to the slopes of Maine's Sunday River Ski Resort. Each vehicle was fitted with spiked tyres, helping them to roar up the mile-long course, ascending a 550-foot hill. When the powder settled, it was Ricky Johnson from California who took top spot on the podium. His final race against Johnny Greaves had both teams sweating it out until the very end. Johnson securing the win after Greaves was given a 5-second penalty, much to his obvious joy.
I'm racing a truck up a ski slope. This is awesome. So it was great.
Number 1, plate.